this is Fiona, the young adult librarian, and today I'm going to show you how to make this really cute notebook tote. It's really easy to make, just a few steps, and you'll have a cool and unique tote bag. So let's get started. So for today's craft, you're going to need your tote bag, your black, blue, and red fabric markers, your ruler, a pencil, and then what we're going to need is we want something that we can put inside the tote bag while we're working. You can see the tote bag is pretty thin, so I'm going to be using a folder that I'm going to be putting inside the tote bag while I'm using the marker so it doesn't seep through to the other side. You can use a piece of cardboard, a paper bag, anything. It just has to be a little thicker than just one sheet of paper, just to keep things from seeping through. Okay, so we want to lay our tote bag out flat, and as I had mentioned, I'm using a folder, so I'm going to actually open it up and insert it inside the tote bag. And I'm going to take my ruler, and first on the left hand side you just want to make a line going down the left hand side about, I'd say, an inch or two in. I'm just going to use the width of this ruler here. You can do it however you'd like. And what I'm going to do is take my red marker and I'm going to go over that line with my red marker. So this is going to be the margin of my paper. So now I'm going to take my ruler again, and you're going to leave some space at the top. That's going to be the top margin of your paper, so you can make like a mark. And then what you want to do is make equal size marks going down, and we're going to use that to make the pages of the notebook. So you can just make the marks along here, and then I'm just going to be making lines straight across with my blue marker. Pretty simple, like so. So now I have all my lines on, and as a last touch, to give it a bit of a notebook look, you're going to take your black fabric marker and you're just going to draw circles like where you would have your loose leaf holes. Like so here you can see my finished tote bag. It's very simple to do. You can leave it as is if you'd like, or if you want to, what you can do is also you can personalize your tote bag. So I put a little quote on mine, one of my favorite quotes from Lemony Snicket. You can put your name on it. You can personalize it however you'd like. That's up to you if you want to do that or leave it blank. And as far as the care instructions for these go, before you wash them, you should put them in the dryer on high heat for about 30 minutes. And when you do wash them in cold water to make sure that the marker doesn't bleed, and they should be good to go. So I hope you enjoyed this craft. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more crafts.